Hey lovelies, I am super excited for today's video because I finally got the chance to sit down and do a first impressions on the brand new Huda Beauty Mascara. So this is called the Legit Lashes Mascara. It's in the color black and it's a double-ended wand. So you have one end which is meant for lengthening and you have another for volume. So I'm very excited to give this a try. This is what I would call very much a high-end mascara. It retails for 50 Australian dollars from Sephora and I believe it's $31 off the Huda Beauty website. So it is quite a pricey mascara. So when it comes to my own personal spending habits with mascara, I don't usually purchase high-end mascaras. I typically go for Maybelline, more affordable, because I don't often just wear mascara on its own. If I'm doing my makeup, I typically have falsies on too, but I am very keen to give this one a go and just see how it fares for a $50 mascara because that is quite pricey. So in the little PR kit, we got this brochure and I'm very impressed with the before and afters of Huda's lashes. They look actually amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to give it a try and I'm also going to wear it all throughout the day and check back in with you this afternoon and let you know how it wore. So the Huda mascara is quite bulky packaging, but it's very similar to like her liner and everything. I quite like it despite it being very bulky, but just in comparison, this is like my favorite Maybelline mascara compared to the Huda one. So when they're side by side, it doesn't look too much bigger, but it is quite like wider. It's in that sort of diamond shape as well. So what I noticed too is the actual bristles of this mascara, they're like that rubbery type mascara applicator. I don't know if you guys will be able to see properly. Let me just put my other mascara one down. I'll show you the Huda one. So both of them, regardless of whether you use the curl side or the volume side, it's made with that more rubbery type mascara applicator. I do personally prefer like just good old bristle wands like this. I just feel like they work better for my lashes personally if it'll focus. So there you go. I'll put my hand behind it so you can see it better. So do you guys get the difference? I'm sure you get what I mean. If you use a lot of mascaras, you know the like rubbery type mascara wands versus a traditional like bristle wand. So we'll see how it goes. Not going to hate on it before I try it because it, you know, might change my life. You never know. So before I get into actually putting the mascara on and getting in nice and close, you guys may notice my eyes are quite red. I do suffer with a genetic eye disease and severe dry eyes. So they are always red. When I have no fake tan on and when I have very little eye makeup on, I just feel like it's about 10 times more noticeable. So if you do notice it, don't be alarmed. I'm fine. My eyes are fine. I don't need any medical suggestions or recommendations because my issues are complex and it's not related to makeup and what I put on my face. It's a genetic thing. So just don't be alarmed if you notice that. So now we'll get into actually putting the mascara onto my lashes. I think I might do one wand on each eye. Personally, I never use more than one wand when I apply my mascara. Like I would go for more something similar to the volume side, which as you can see, there's the two wands again, just for reference. I would typically use a mascara with a wand more like this. So I think I'll use that on my right side and I'll do the lift and curl on the left side, just so we can see the difference. Okay, so here it goes. I noticed too with the wand that as it gets towards the base, it gets quite thicker. And I feel like it's coating my lashes really well whilst keeping them like reasonably separated too. Yes, I'm getting a little bit clumpy now. Too much mascara. I feel like it gets in nice and easy around those bottom lashes. I think they're looking really good. They're really nice and separated, looking really nice and long. And now I'm going to try and do the second side, and I think I will start with the curl and length wand. I am a rookie when it comes to these wands because I don't personally purchase them, so I'm not really sure if how I'm about to use it is correct. I haven't watched any other videos on Legit Lashes, so I don't like to watch other reviews before I review products because I don't like to sort of have a narrative put in my head about them. So I could be using this wrong. If I am, just correct me, but we'll just see. I'm assuming you go from like the dip side, I don't know. we're just going to wing it. I'm assuming the point of this wand is to like push your lash up, which I think it's doing. It's definitely coating my lashes really nicely. Not as heavily straight off the bat as like what the volume one did. Ooh. I might like this side better than the volume one. What do you know? I feel like this wand holds less product on it in the bristles. Oh, well, they both look good. I'm surprised. I actually think I like this side better. Okay, I'm just going to do my bottom lashes now. I don't know if the sides really look that different. It's just like when you're applying the lift and curl side, I feel like the wand holds less product, so it's easier for you to actually like coat your lashes more gradually, whilst the volume side holds a lot more mascara in the wand, so it applies a lot more mascara in like one stroke. I think I prefer like less but needing to coat it more times versus like it being too much mascara in one like application. What are you guys thinking of first impressions? They're looking nice and long, nice and separated, nice and black. I like it so far. So what I'm going to do is wear this for the entire day. I'm going to check back in with you when I get home from work. I might even do a check-in from my phone at some point in time. We'll see if it transfers onto my eyelids and how well it actually wears throughout the day, and if my lashes actually drop throughout the day. Sometimes I find mascara can get like a little crumbly throughout the day as well, so we'll check in on that, and then I'll remove it on camera too so we can see how easily it removes as well. But based off first impressions, I really like it. I think I actually like the curl and length side best, which is the curvy wand, which I'm a bit surprised about. I didn't think I'd like this side the most. I thought that'd be my least favorite side, but I think it's my favorite. So I'll check back in with you guys in a couple hours this afternoon. I'll let you know the time when I do. It's currently 10:48 on the clock, so I'm off to work. A bit of a late start, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hey lovelies, I am home from work. It is 4 o'clock, or just after 4 o'clock I should say, if I can get my phone to turn on. Just after 4 p.m. and it has worn so incredibly well. Absolutely zero smudging above on my eyelids. I do tend to get like a little bit of greasiness on my eyelids throughout the day, and a lot of mascaras do transfer and smudge. This one, not at all, as you can see. Not even slightly, not even a speck has transferred. I'm very impressed. So I am going to take off all my makeup now. I can't stand wearing makeup unless I'm actually out and about doing something, and this is all breaking up on my chin and everything now. So she's done. She's ready to come off for the day. When I wear a lot of mascara, I typically like to remove it with either micellar water and cotton rounds, just any old micellar water. It doesn't matter what brand. This is the Flick Off Quick Flick one. Or I like to use like a makeup removing balm. So one or the other. I find I've got face halos, and I love face halos just for like my all over face makeup. But when I've got a lot of mascara on, I definitely need a little something heavier to get in around that mascara and get it all off my lashes. So we'll just do a little test with micellar water, since I feel like it's probably the most common way people remove their eye makeup. So we're going to take the Flick Off and give it a whirl. Oh, I just squirted that everywhere, disgusting. So I'm just going to take my little cotton round and pop it over my eye, and we'll see how easily this comes off. Just gently rubbing. So I don't believe this is like a waterproof formula or anything. I haven't actually double checked. It didn't say anywhere that it was. So it's taken a lot of it off, but there's definitely still mascara on my lashes. So it does take a little bit of elbow grease to get it off. It may be easier with a makeup removing balm. I might actually just quickly grab some and try and see how that goes. So BRB. So this one is by Huda Beauty, and it was actually a limited edition product that came in the PR pack with their liner, but they're actually launching a permanent version of it over on their Wishful Skin brand. So apparently it's a little bit of a different formula, very similar but with some added ingredients. So I'm very excited for that because I love this stuff. So it really helps melt away your makeup. So I'm just going to take like a little scrape of this and we'll apply that all over the eye. Nothing crazy, not too much because you don't really need too much. It's a very like emollient product, so when you apply it to the skin, like it spreads around quite far and wide. So I'm going to take that little dollop and just pop it straight on my eye and see how well this helps to break down the mascara. Do you see how like it slowly is working away at all the mascara on the lashes? I'm just going to take a face halo. Okay, so I do definitely think the cleansing balm got much more of the mascara off my lashes versus the micellar water and cotton rounds. I can still see mascara all clumped in around the base of my lashes on this eye, whilst this eye is totally clean. So definitely a balm is a great way to go. I feel like it's also the best way to go for the environment, and I'm so excited to try the new Wishful Skin one. If I don't get that in PR, I will 110% be buying that myself, which also I didn't say that in the start of the video. I did get this in PR. I did not buy this myself, just full disclaimer. But I just think balms are the best way to go about removing makeup. So what I do is after I'm like done for the day or finished filming or got home from a night out, I will strip off, I'll turn the shower on, I'll take my balm, I'll then get a nice dollop of it, I'll rub it all over my face, and I'll get straight into the shower and wash it off in the shower. I find that like the most easiest way to really clean my face properly and not get like dirty makeup water everywhere, and then I'll go ahead and actually cleanse in the shower as well. So yeah, it's the easiest way to remove makeup in my opinion. So my final first impressions on the Legit Lashes mascara is it's actually really amazing. It is quite an expensive mascara, like it's $50, and like I was saying earlier in the video, I'm not usually one to purchase a high-end mascara. However, in saying that, I do feel like I can tell a difference in the formula. So I absolutely love the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift mascara, like it's my current favorite affordable mascara, but in comparison, the actual formula does seem to be a little bit more flaky, and it does definitely transfer when my eyelids get really oily or if I wear it for a super prolonged time. This did not get flaky at all. It did not like chip off or flake off during the day. It did not smudge, not even slightly, not even once. I'm sure if I wore this for a 12-hour day, it would still be intact as well. The wands also feel very expensive in comparison to the Maybelline one, and I didn't think I'd like the rubber applicators, and I didn't think I'd like the lift and curve length one, whatever it is, but I actually love it. And just the actual formulation of the mascara itself was really beautiful, and I felt like my lashes stayed nice and intensely black and coated all throughout the day, and I just didn't have one single problem with it. Like there was literally zero issues with this particular product. So I'm curious if any of you have tried this out, if you're going to try it out, what you think of it. Let me know in the comments section, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and you enjoyed. And I'll be talking to you, I just spat on myself. Disgusting. Let me try that again. I'll be talking to you guys in the comments section and in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.